We present VidPanos, generative panoramic videos from casual panning videos. In this work, we focus on the panoramic video completion task. We register a casually captured panning video as a partial panoramic video, and then complete this partial video into a full panoramic video. This task is challenging since in a typical capture, the unknown region can outnumber the known region in pixels, and we might need to complete transient motions or content unobserved throughout the video, which would require a strong video prior. In this work, we use Generative video model as the strong prior to complete panoramic videos consistently. However, these generative models don't work out of the box. The input shape is smaller than the dimensions of a typical panoramic video volume. The models are also not trained for our reprojected panning video and produce results with out-of-domain artifacts. Instead, we adapt the generative model for our input videos and apply the adapted model as a component of our panorama synthesis system, combining the prior with temporal coarse-define, spatial aggregation, and other techniques to realistically and consistently complete unknown regions of the video volume. Let's first look at some results. In this skate park example, there's a person entering from the right, and the beginning of that entrance is completed correctly. In this street scene, the pedestrians and cars continue to move in a plausible manner. The method also worked for portrait mode panoramic pans. Next, we'll walk through our pipeline with an example. Given an input panning video, we reproject it as a panorama and resample the frames to a pyramid of temporal resolutions. A base panoramic video is synthesized at the coarsest temporal scale, then temporally upsampled and merged with the next scale for completion, until we get back to the full frame rate. Finally, a spatial super-resolution pass and blending with the input are applied to produce the final output video. Next, let's go over other method details. In this work, we explore two types of generative models, diffusion-based and token-based. The Lumiere inpainting model takes in partial video and mask as condition to iteratively go from pure noise to the completed video. However, this model was only trained on temporally fixed mask. We further fine-tuned the model for our task using the same training videos and replacing the fixed masks with our panning masks. Here we can see without this fine-tuning, the completed videos have a lot of artifacts. Funaki is a token-based model and consists of a VQ encoder-decoder and a bidirectional transformer that iteratively completes a token volume. For our task, we need to mask the encoder attention layers for the mask input video. As we change the encoder, the tokens become slightly out of distribution for the decoder. We find that decoder per video fine-tuning helps decode these tokens back to the correct pixels. Here we show the effect of decoder per video fine-tuning. Spatially, to complete a video wider than the model's input shape, we aggregate overlapping windows of model predicted probabilities and then sample. We do the spatial aggregation for each temporal window in the pipeline. Thanks for watching. For more video results and method details, please visit our project website.